Hi friends, welcome to Sada Learning Hub. You are with me Shada Shora. Today's session we are going to learn the most important Java interview questions. The first question is, what is the object cloning? The object cloning is used to create an exact copy of an object. That is the object cloning. It is used to create an exact copy of an object. There is the two types of cloning. The first one is shallow cloning and the second one is the deep cloning. The next question is, can we override the overloaded methods? Yes, it's possible to override the overloaded methods. The next question is, can you have a virtual function in Java? Yes, all functions in Java are virtual by default. In Java, all functions are by default virtual. The next question is, what is the runtime polymorphism? Runtime polymorphism or dynamic method dispatch is the process in which a call to an overridden methods to resolved at runtime rather than at compile time. In this process, an overridden method is called through the reference variables of the superclass. The the determination of the method is to be called is based on the object being referred to by the reference variables. See here, polymorphism means is the many forms. We can achieve the polymorphism by using method overloading and method overriding. Polymorphism is a two ways. Uh, there is the compile time polymorphism and the runtime polymorphism. Here, runtime polymorphism or dynamic method dispatch is the process in which a call to be an overridden method is resolved at runtime rather than at compile time. In this process, an overridden method is called through the reference variables of a superclass. The determination of the method to be called is based on the object being referred to by a reference variables. The next question is, can you achieve runtime polymorphism by data members? No, it's not possible to achieve runtime polymorphism by data members. The next question is, what is the meaning of immutable in terms of string? The simple meaning of immutable is unmodifiable or unchangeable. Once string object has been created, its value cannot be changed. That type of objects are called immutable object. If you see here, immutable means unmodifiable and unchangeable. If you see here, string is a string in Java are immutable. We can't change the value of once it is created. The next question is, why string objects are immutable in Java? Why string objects are immutable in Java? Because Java uses the concept of string literal. Suppose there are a 5 reference variables, all references to an one object. If one reference variable is changed, then the value of the objects it will be affected to all the references variables. That is why string objects are That's why string objects are immutable in Java. If you see here, if because Java use the concept of string constant string literals. Suppose there are a 5 reference variables are there, all references to one object only. If one object is changed, if one reference is changed, if one reference value is changed, automatically all references values are changed. That's why in Java strings are immutable objects. The next question is, how many ways we can create a string object? There is a two ways we can create a string object. The first one is string literal and the second one is by using a new keyword. There is a two ways to create a string objects. The next question is, why Java uses the concept of string literal? To make a Java more memory efficient, because no new objects are created if it exists already in the string constants pool. The string literals to make a Java more memory efficient because no new objects are created if it exists already in the string constant pool. Whenever we are creating a string literal, first it can check into the string constant pool. If it is available, the string object refers into that reference. If it is not available in the string constant pool, it creates a new object. That's why string literals makes Java more efficient. The next question is, what is the basic differences between string and string buffer objects? String is an immutable object, but string buffer is a mutable object. We can we cannot modify the string objects. It's not possible to modify the string object. And coming to the string buffer objects, is it is possible to modifiable. It is a string buffer objects are modifiable and changeable. It's possible to change the value of a string object. If you see here, I'm creating a string object. String s is equal to new string of hello. First, it creates an object of s. After that, I'm concatenating the string s dot concatenate of world. It creates a one more reference address and store it into the reference address hello world. Whenever we are creating a string buffer object, it is an mutable. It is a string objects are immutable. If you coming to the string buffer objects, it is the mutable objects. Whenever we are creating a string buffer object, it creates a memory reference, and whenever we are appending, it appends the same memory reference. It doesn't create a new references.
Thank you so much watching this video. Hope this lesson helpful to you. Keep watching our lessons. Keep writing to us. Do not forget subscribe our channel Learning Hub because we have many sessions that would help you to develop our skills, and I will be back soon. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.